We help our customers effectively respond to changing market needs and ever-evolving end consumer expectations. Now we do so by leveraging technological advancements, which also helps us stay competitive.
Application development includes automation of internal business processes and building products to address common business challenges or to drive innovation.
Application maintenance is an ongoing task to ensure that our applications are running up to the optimum standards and benchmarks.
We deliver projects ranging from short-term resource augmentation to sudden spike in resource needs. We do small web portal implementations to large-scale, multi-year cloud transformation projects.
Organizations are looking for custom solutions to address their individual business needs.
It is not about fixing issues, but to continuously reevaluate and modify our customers' existing applications in order to maximize the benefit and reduce costs.
In today's era, it's not just about solutions. Customers require hyper-personalized solutions that help them stand out and become the best version of themselves. This is where we step in as the best technology partners.
We have the experience, methodology, aptitude, and workforce to do it right and early to market. We help our customers to build robust, secure, scalable, cost-effective, and easy to maintain solutions.
Our team of experts continuously innovate and update existing applications for smarter workloads and better ROIs.